this video, we will be covering how you can navigate the YouTube analytics section and how you can identify the content that are performing well, or so to speak, the content that giving you enough traffic and revenue so you can replicate and come up with a branch version. Now, on your YouTube studio, you just need to go into the analytics tab, go to the revenue section. On the revenue page, look for the date that has the highest revenue so far. And on this channel, I've got the October 27th, which give me 6.06 revenue, which is super high compared to my other revenue that only bumps to just $2 and $1. The least is the 90 cents. Now go into you just need to scroll down and go to the monthly estimated revenue. Go to the see more. On the see more, we will need to filter the date that has the highest revenue, which is October 27th. So scroll down, go into the 27 here as well, 27, and then apply. So I've got 6.06 revenue. Go to the content section and look for, so we already have the content. These are the content that are performing on that date. The highest so far is 2 ways to recover suspended or terminated YouTube channel. Now I want to see, because it doesn't mean that if you have the highest view, you earns more compared to the other video. So we'll go into the second metric, go to the metrics too, and go into the YouTube ad revenue or your estimated revenue. You can choose whatever you want. So I'm gonna pick on YouTube ad revenue. And yes, I told you guys, 2 ways to recover a suspended account get only 41 cents, while this Google Ad suspension appeal guide gives me 8.81 guides, 8.81 revenue. So it seems like I need to create a lot of video related to Google Ads campaign. Okay, the rest are it's just not, I don't think it's too it's worth on my time to try, but I'm probably gonna come up with a different version for that. But my priority right now is to create a Google Ads tutorial. Okay, now we can also go into the traffic section to see where those traffic coming from, and it seems like it's coming from a YouTube search. Okay, so it's got 164 for the YouTube search. We'll also filter later that specific video that gives us $6, but let's just cover this one in here. For the geography, United States, you just need to check all of these things in here. But if you want to isolate a specific content, which is this one, it only have 32 views for that date, but it already gives us $8. So let's see why YouTube pays $8 for just 32 views. So if I go into the revenue sections in here, it looks like the RPM is too high, 19.99. So that's the reason why we have a high revenue for just 32 views. Okay, now if we go into the analytics part of the YouTube revenue under the reach section, I was found on the YouTube search. So we'll go into and it's also on the Google search. So it seems like my video is performing well in Google videos, and these are the terms that are that ranks me on either on the Google search or the YouTube search. So if I go into the youtube.com and type in this key phrase, I am in the 4th result. Okay, but it seems like this kind of keyword, it doesn't really give you more traffic, because for 1 year she got only 30K, for 9 months she has 11K, here she got 13K and stuff. Okay, now um the other thing as well that you need to consider, instead of also replicating or creating a different version in this, it's also a good part for you to see what area you can improve in this video. Now I have a face which is, I think, Google, I'm just not sure, but maybe Google prioritizing the content or the video that has face. That's why I come up with an A to B testing to see which video performing well. Is it, do I really need to show my face, or a screen recording is enough? And as you can see in here, my retention is, or percentage of view is quite good. I've got 29.1%, which is an average, retention rate in here. And my deep as well, like 23% of people still watch my video at the end of that. So that's a good indication in here, that one. And yeah, this kind of stats is really a good indication for you to rank. I have a poor stats on my other videos, so I'm gonna use this one as a basis for me to come up with like a blueprint of what are the process. Okay, audience, more of them are from United States, and they didn't really subscribe because a lot of user, I mean, I've got 7.3 views, but only 64 people subscribe to it. But I'm fine with that. YouTube still gives me enough revenue, so that's good to know. So I'm gonna put this one on my highest priority. I'm probably gonna come up with a different version of this video, which is, it's still a different video, but it's related to that video. And then I'm gonna take a look what are the, like, maybe things that I can improve in this video. I'm probably gonna change the thumbnail and add more curiosity and stuff. So but I think this one is good to go. 100% working is fine. And I also have a lot of comment in here. So you just need to reply on those comment, because interaction in YouTube and in Google is super important as well. So I've been busy in a while, so I'm going to try to sum up with, I will respond back on this on these comments. Yeah, if you have any question, please let me know. Happy to answer it, and have a great day.